If your idea of a great landscape photo is crisp detail, natural color, and a lens range that never gets in the way, this Leica L kit deserves a close look. Today we're evaluating the Leica L Type 601 Mirrorless Digital Camera in the Master Landscape Photographer Kit with the Leica L 24-90mm f2.84 ASPH. I'll cover what it does exceptionally well, where it can frustrate you, and who it's truly for, so you can decide if the investment matches your shooting style. First, the lens range. The 24-90mm f2.84 gives you wide-angle composition for foreground and sky, then flexes into a tight framing option for compression and distant subjects. For landscape photographers, that means fewer lens changes, faster workflow, and less gear fatigue when conditions turn bad. Second, image rendering. Leica cameras are known for how they translate real-world tones, especially in mixed light. Expect pleasing contrast and color that holds up in tricky scenes like storms over hillsides or golden hour gradients. The result is images that often need less correction to look coherent and intentional. Third, field-friendly handling and control. The way the system feels matters when you're working low to the ground, on uneven terrain, or under time pressure. This kit is designed for deliberate composition, supporting stability and accuracy when you're chasing the one-frame landscape moment. Fourth, detail and depth. Landscape photography lives and dies by texture rock faces, tree lines, clouds, and atmospheric haze. With this combination, you're getting a level of clarity that helps those elements separate cleanly, which is key for depth and realism in wide scenes. Now, the honest part, there are trade-offs. Premium systems can be expensive, and the Leica experience can demand time to master menu logic, handling quirks, and workflow choices. Also, this kit targets landscape priorities, so if you need maximum speed for action or a wider ultra-telephoto landscape reach, you may want additional lens options later. So, should you buy the Leica L Type 601 Master Landscape Kit with the 24-90mm f2.8-4? If you care most about rendering, field ergonomics, and a practical wide-to-short tele range, it's a strong landscape tool. If budget and simplicity are your top priorities, consider whether the premium costs and learning curve align with your expectations.